In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you want to make your Google form more open and flexible, say, stop collecting emails, allow multiple submissions, or prevent people from editing their answers after they submit, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to adjust those permissions. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can update your form with confidence. First, open the Google form you want to edit. Make sure you have editing access to the form. If the form is already in your drive, just open it from there. Once your form is on screen, you'll see tabs across the top labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click the Settings tab at the top. This is the control center for how your form behaves. On the left side or within the main panel, look for the section labeled Responses. That's where Google puts all the options that affect who can answer, what information is collected, and whether respondents can change their answers later. Now, let's turn off the permission options you don't want. Start with Collect Email Addresses. When this is on, the form automatically asks for an email and stores it with each response. Toggle this off if you don't need to identify respondents by email or if you want your form to feel more anonymous. Turning it off won't remove any emails you've already collected. It simply stops new responses from requesting them automatically. Next, find Limit to one response. This setting requires people to sign in with a Google account and restricts them to a single submission. If you want to allow multiple responses from the same person or you're sharing the form with people who might not have Google accounts, toggle this off. Just remember, turning it off means someone could submit more than once, so consider whether that fits your goals. Finally, locate Allow Response Editing. When this is on, respondents can return to their submissions and change their answers after they've submitted. If you need final, unchangeable responses, common for quizzes, applications, or time-stamped records, toggle this off. That removes the option to edit after submission and helps keep your data consistent. Each of these options uses a simple toggle switch. Click once to turn it off. You'll typically see the control switch to a neutral or gray state. Changes save automatically, so there's no separate save button to press. That's it. By opening your form, heading to Settings, navigating to the Responses section, and toggling off the permissions you don't need, you've tailored your form to match your privacy, access, and data integrity goals. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to share your form with confidence.